Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma ja'alil Qur'ana rabi'a qulubina wa nura sudurina. Allahumma ameen. So we are going to start our today's session. Last week we have started the verb, the main part. Before that, we were just in the first session, we just touched about the noun, attached pronouns and detached pronoun. Just and now in the second session, we are studying in detail about the ism, properties of ism, noun, and now last week we have started with the verb and harf is always there, so we already have seen some example with attached pronouns be, li, min, an, and many others, but these are the most common, so we should know the meaning actually. Attached pronoun, detached pronoun, just give 5 6 minutes in a day sometime and you will expert in that attach and detach, and they are very important. Then we have started with the verb, and the verb again, I will recap. The verb is basically it is a word that shows action with respect to the time. There are three time basically. One is Madi, the past, present, and future. In Arabic, we deal one is the past and future and present together. The past is called Failul Madi, and then future, present, and future that is called Failul Mudari'. We have to repeat these terminologies again and again. We use them, and they will. So Failul Al Failul Mudari', future, present, and future together. Madi, past tense. And there will be third thing, that will be fi'lul amr and fi'lul nahi. Here the action has been done in the past. Action is being done in the present or will be done in the future. That is fi'lul mudari. When you are asking someone to do the action, that can be order, that can be request to do the action. Fi'lun nahi, when you are stopping someone to do the action, that is fi'lun nahi. So these terminologies, we will use them again and again. So they will be easy for us. So we should not be worried about the terminologies, but that is past, present, and future, fi'lul mudare, and then fi'lul amr, asking someone, requesting someone to do the action, that is also called order, and fi'lun nahi, stopping someone to action. That is the simple meaning. So we will just start again with the fi'lul madi, just for recap. One thing is the order is very important. We have to remember, we have to do this in the order as we have done with the detached pronouns huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu. If you put something in order, it will be easy to remember, because when you put in order, you are just devising some technique that yes, in order I am not missing anything. Then who, whom, ka, kum, ina. Let's say rabbuhu, rabbuhum, rabbuka, rabbukum, rabbi, rabbuna. That should be in order. Similarly, here when we come in the fi'l mudare, first person singular, third person singular, third person plural, he and they. Then we go to the second person singular, second person plural, that is you. Then third person I and we, singular and plural. So in Failul Madi, the template we are doing, and this that is on the verb fa'il. Fa'il is an Arabic word, but we are taking it as an basically representative template. Throughout the course, we will see that that is the important thing. So that's why we take this the fa'il, that is the verb, and the first Madi is fa'ala. Fa'ala means he did. Fa'il means to do something, doing. So verb, so first we always start, the starting verb is basically that is just a starting madi fa'ala, and what is happening in the past, just for revision, that from the end you will see the thing, the shape is changing. As the shapes get changed, what is happening actually, there is, you will see fa, ain, lam everywhere, but what is happening, shape is changing at the end, especially in Madi. And what is this ending shape is basically telling us very important thing. We will recognize from that the terminology we used last time, that is called inside doer. Like here, inside doer is he, they, you all, I, we. Why we are saying is inside? Because if you look at the English, they are clearly visible. He, they, you all, I, we. But in Madi, it is hid inside. So when there is fa'ala means he, ja'ala he, jama'a he, then action. Mana'a, fataha, rafa'a, zahab. It is like that. U, it is they, ta, you, tum, you all, tu, I, na, we. So this is we have done last week about the Madi. Inshallah, we will just go for the Mudari', which will help us that at the end of the class, inshallah, we will be familiar with the present and future verb as well. So we are just taking, see here, one verb and making six sentences. Any verb, now six Madi, that is not a problem for us. That is a big achievement actually. So let's revise it. And for revision, I would start with Brother Muniruz Zama Moni.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Your task is, let's say, fataha. First of all, this is the starting verb. Its meaning is
He offend or
okay. Let's
disobey.
take the first translation. He opened and fit here and make the six sentences of Madi, please.
Fataha. He offend. Fatahu. They offend. Fatata. You offend. Fatahtum. You offend. You all offend. Fatatu. I offend. Fatana. We offend.
He opened. Very nice. Thank you very much. So next, I will go to uh, Brother Danish Bhai.
जी सर
Can you please take the word ja'ala and make six sentences from here?
Ja'ala, he made. Ja'alu, they made. Ja'alta, you made. Ja'altum, you all made. Ja'altu, I made. Ja'alna, we made.
We made. Okay. So from this we are very clear. Ta, you, tum, you all, tu. See here, this is ta, you. When it is just a dhamma, this is fatha, zabar, and then we have dhamma, pesh, dhamma. So it is for I. And na will be, that is for we. Okay, let's take the last participant for the revision, and that is Usman Ahmed.
So,
Yeah, Usman.
salam.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Let's take the word rafa'a. What is the meaning of rafa'a?
He raised.
So it is a verb because there is action. There is action in this, and this is verb. Your task is to make six past tense.
Okay. Rafa'a. He raised. Rafa'u. They raised. Rafa'tu.
Rafa
Rafa'ta.
ta.
You raised. Rafa'tum. You all raised. Rafa'tu. I raised. Rafa'na. We raised.
We raise. So this is here that meaning is okay. Meaning first, if we know the meaning, we can. But at least whenever we have the starting verb, we can make six sentence. Anything. Let's say I don't know the meaning of mana'a, but I can make it mana'a, mana'u, mana'ata, mana'atum, mana'atu, mana'ana. Even if I don't know the meaning of mana'a, but still I can say that the mana'a it is for he, mana'u they. Mana'ta you, mana'tum you all, mana'tu I, mana'na we. And what is the action? That is just with little practice, inshallah, we will have the meaning. And you will see that we are using all the Quranic vocabulary here. And we are repeating the words again and again. So we will have these meaning, inshallah, with that. So by this way also we are building the vocabulary as well. So next we are going to our today's topic, and that will be fi'lul mudari'. Al fi'lul mudari'. As I told that this is basically present. It will show present and future together. Present and future together, and that is al-fi'l al-mudari'. First in target language, in English, that will be easy for us, and in order. And if you look at that, it will, when it comes instead of he did, so it will be he does or he will do. We will decide, we know that how we can say that with he, what happened in the present tense, and okay, they do or they will do, you do or you will do, you all do or you all will do, I do, or I'm using here or because there will be two meaning, I will do, we do or we will do. This is something that we know that this is our target, that we are looking for six sentences for who that will be called, that will be in the present and future, and we are looking for the Arabic for that, how we will make that. Again, the importance, the starting verb is still fa'ala, and here we are deriving that from fa'ala. Six is this, then six here. So at the end, we will have the 12 sentences just from the one, and it is changing the shape. And when changing the shape, what is happening? The translation is going to be changed as well. So let's say the first thing is here. Now here, what is happening here? Here in Madi, the ending sound was changing. Here we have to put in singular. You will see that we have to put some, there will be change in the beginning. In the plural, there will be, we put na at the end. Like here, it will become yaf'alu. Fa'ala, so it will become yaf'alu. Just putting ya here, so ya will show us he does or he will do. What will be the plural? Very easy. Just put na at the end. So it will be they. Yaf'alu, yaf'aluna. We can make it in pair. That will be easy for us. Yaf'alu, yaf'aluna. Yaf'alu, he does or he will do. Yaf'aluna, they do or they will do. For the plural, noon is at the end. Now let's go for the second, you. And for the you, here you see that there is ta at the end. From ta we can recognize easily. So here the same thing. Ta in the beginning. Tafa'alu. Tafa'alu will be you. And because it is mudare, you do or you will do. So there will be two meaning of that. And if something comes in our mind that how comes the one word is showing present and future, as per the context, we will choose one translation when we will use it practically, when we will study the prayer lesson, Qur'an, whatever. You will see soon, inshallah. Tafa'alu, and then we have tafa'aluna. You do or you all will do. Af'alu. This is this Hamza at the beginning, so it will show I do or I will do. And because noon is very important for the plural, so but noon here in Mudare, we will put it in the beginning, that is naf'alu, we do or we will do. All red highlighted here, you see, they will be part of every verb. So it will be yaf'alu, yaf'aluna, taf'alu, taf'aluna, af'alu, naf'alu. Af'alu means I do or I will do. Naf'alu, we do or we will do. So let's do the practice first for this. But this is our template. This will be there. So I will just take an example from here, and I would ask Emma first. Emma?
Yes,
Okay. So your task is ja'ala. Ja'ala means?
he made.
Okay, so I would ask that you just make the mudare for that. Ja'ala, then it will come here what?
يجعل
Keep going, please.
يجعل يجعلون تجعل تجعلون أجعل نجعل
Okay, so here yaj'alu, yaj'aluna, taj'alu, taj'aluna, aj'alu, naja. Okay, what is the meaning of yaj'alu will be?
he made or he will make.
Ja'ala means,
جعل means he made.
and when it becomes present and future, we will not use the made. That will be make or makes. We know that English. Okay, so that comes. Okay, yaj'alu mean.
يجعل يجعلون
Yaj'alu meaning. What will be
oh
meaning in English?
يجعل يجعل he makes or he will make.
Keep going.
يجعلون they make or they will make.
Keep going.
تجعل you make or you will make. تجعلون you all make or you all will make. أجعل I make or I will make. Najalu, we make or we will make.
Okay, so here one practice I'm just going to do with Emma, that without looking the table she will be able to do that. Start from ja'ala just in Arabic, no need of translation, and reach at naj'alu, madi and mudare together. Please go ahead.
Okay. Ja'ala, ja'alu, ja'alta, ja'altum, ja'altu, ja'alna, yaj'alu, yaj'aluna, taj'alu, taj'aluna, aj'alu, naj'alu.
Okay, now start with the translation.
Okay.
Ja'ala.
Ja'ala, he made. Ja'alu, they made. Ja'alta, you made. Ja'altum, you all made. Ja'altu, I made. Ja'alna, we made. Yaj'alu, he makes or he will make. Yaj'aluna, they make or they will make. Taj'alu, you make or you will make. You, yeah. Taj'aluna, you all will make or you all will make. Ajralu, I will make or I make. Najralu, we make or we all
Good. So
will make.
yeah, this will be easy. As Emma did it, everyone will be able to do that. So first we know that if something, this table is very important. Visual memory is very important. Before that, the text you just, so visual, that first we have the madi. As you will go to the ya, it comes in your mind, oh, I am in the second column and it is failul mudare, and then you will do the six, but the order will be ya plus na, ta plus na, a and na. So you have to make some technique, so it will be, inshallah, it will be there. But first thing is to understanding that when comes ya, it is the inside door is he. Ya plus na, it is they. Ta, you. Ta plus na, you plus you all. A and na. See here, a, and the plural is not af'aluna, it is naf'alu. Just nahnu, from nahnu, naf'alu, we do or we will do. Okay, let's take another participant. And for that, I would go to Brother Ahmad from the group. Walaikum assalam. Your task is Fataha, and start from here, reach here with Arabic. No translation yet.
فتح فتحوا فتحنا
Just go slow, please. Just go slow. Just put a pause, and we are basically, whenever we are doing it in the main session, we are just taking the participant to help us to teach. Everybody is part of the teaching. Go ahead.
فتحا فتحوا فتحتا فتحتم فتحتوا فتحنا يف يف sorry, 1 second.
No problem.
فتح لنا
Yaftahu.
يفتحوا يفتحون
Taftahu.
يفتحون
Okay. Let's do again. Taftahu, taftahuna. Repeat it, please.
تفتحون
Okay. Next is you just have to put Hamza in the beginning. Aftahu, and then for the last Noon. Naftahu. You always have the starting verb in your mind. You always keep it in mind. See here, Yaftahu, Yaftahuna. Then Ta. Taftahu, Taftahuna. Then Aftahu, Naftahu. Repeat again.
So
Yaftahu.
يفتحون تفتحون أفتح نفتح.
You are there, mashallah. Okay, let's do the translation. Yaftahu, meaning will be, you just have to think a second or two, put a pause, and because fataha means he open. So when it comes yaftahu, the meaning will be he opens or he will open. Start, okay? Yaftahu.
يفتح he opens or he will open.
Yes.
يفتح they
Yaftahuna. You have to say it completely.
يفتحون they opens
They open or
they will open.
yeah, you have to say two translation. Keep going.
Open, they will open. تفتح
Yes.
you open or you will open.
Very good.
تفتحون you all open, you all will open. أفتح I open, I will open. نفتح we open and we will open.
We all will open. Thank you very much, Brother Ahmed. So this is just example. Brother Ahmed, I am 100% sure he first time he did it like that. So just he took the word, he tried, put a pause, and just in 2 minutes now he was able to make the all six sentences of Mudare with translation, and he knows that. Just we need some focus. Nowadays the problem is the attention, the fully focus. If we just focus here for 1 hour, uh, and just inshallah with the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah will increase our knowledge. But only thing from our side, the pure intention why we are attending this class, and second thing is intent, focus, very important, the focus. That is, and Allah will definitely give us a reward because we had the pure intentions here that we are doing this Quran. We have this Quran class for the Quran, and we are spending this 1 hour, blocking this hour from all our other schedule just for the Quran purpose. So let me take some more participant here. I would go to Brother Abu Bakr Siddiq.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Your task is Ja'ala. Start from here, reach at this with only Arabic first.
So from past,
Ja'ala, yes.
yeah. So ja'ala, he did.
No,
Ja'alu,
Ja'ala meaning will be he made.
oh sorry, he made. Ja'ala, he made. Ja'alu, they made. Ja'alta, you made. Ja'altum, you all made. Ja'altu, I made. Ja'alna, we made.
Okay, Madi is done. Now we will start with Mudare. Ya will come in the beginning. Yaj'alu.
Yaj'alu, he make or he will make. Yaj'alu, they make or they will make.
Yaj'alu. You are missing one thing.
Yaj'aluna.
Yaj'aluna.
Yaj'aluna, they make or they will make. Taj'alu,
Taj'alu.
you made or you will make. Taj'aluna, you all make or you all will make. Aj'alu, I make or I will make. Naj'alu, we make or we will make.
Okay. Abdullah Shuaib.
Assalamu alaikum.
On Zahaba. Start from here, complete this.
ذهب means he went. ذهب, he went. ذهبوا, they went. ذهبت, you went. ذهبتم, you all went. ذهبت, I went. ذهبنا, we went. يذهب, he went or
He goes.
he goes or he will go. يذهبون, they go or they will go. تذهب, you go or you will go. تذهبون, you all go or you all will go. أذهب, I go or I will go. نذهب, we go or we will go.
Okay, that's good. So we have to go to the breakout room and we will practice on Fi'l Mudare, Madi Mudare with Fa'ala first, and then we can take practice on these verbs.